Male urinary incontinence is both preventable and manageable. Kegel exercises can help you take control of your leaky bladder. If you practice Kegel exercises, also called pelvic floor exercises, for 5 minutes, 2 or 3 times daily, you will likely see significant improvement in your ability to control urinary leakage. Another bonus, Kegel exercises can also help you have more intense orgasms and improve erections. What are Kegel exercises for men? Kegels are exercises that help you zero in on and strengthen muscles below the bladder that help control urination. In men, urinary incontinence can be caused by a weak urinary sphincter that may result from surgery for prostate cancer, an overactive bladder, or a bladder that doesn't contract. Kegel exercises can help you improve, or in some cases completely regain, bladder control. How can men do Kegel exercises? Kegels are easy to do, once you know which muscles to target. One of the easiest ways to locate your muscles is during urination. Here's how. Halfway through urination, try to stop or slow down the flow of urine. Don't tense the muscles in your buttocks, legs, or abdomen, and don't hold your breath. When you can slow or stop the flow of urine, you've successfully located these muscles. Some men find these muscles by imagining that they are trying to stop the passage of gas. Squeezing these muscles gives a pulling sensation. These are the right muscles for pelvic exercises. It's important not to contract other muscles. Some men need biofeedback to help them target the right muscles. To do Kegel exercises for men, contract these muscles for a slow count of 5. Release the muscles to a slow count of 5. Repeat 10 times. Do a set of 10 Kegels daily, 3 times a day. When you're first starting, it may be easier to do Kegel exercises lying down, so your muscles aren't fighting against gravity. It may also be easier to contract the muscles for just 2 or 3 seconds at first. After a few weeks, increase the time until eventually you're contracting the muscles for a slow 5 or 10 seconds, and do the exercises standing up. That puts more weight on the muscles, boosting your workout and improving your control. Remember not to tense your buttock, legs, or stomach muscles while you're doing Kegels. When will you see results from Kegel exercises? Seeing results with any exercise takes time, so be patient. If you do Kegels 3 times a day, you should see better bladder control in 3 to 6 weeks, some men see it even sooner. Try keeping a record of your urine leakage each day to help you notice improvements. If you don't see any change in a month, you may not have located the right muscles for Kegel exercises. Give your doctor or urologist a call. They can offer tips on how to find and successfully exercise the right muscles. 3 tips to help make Kegel exercises a habit. The most effective exercises are the ones you do regularly. To help you get into the rhythm of doing Kegels, try these simple tips. Stay consistent. Do your Kegel exercises at the same time each day, maybe first thing in the morning while you are urinating, while brushing your teeth, and as you watch TV. Remember the benefits. If you keep up with Kegels, they can really make a difference in your urinary incontinence. Pay attention to progress. Over time, you'll notice your urinary incontinence is improving. Maybe you're having fewer leaks, or are leaking less. I hope this video helps you knowledge on Kegel exercises and see a licensed physician for medical advice or consult with your doctor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get our future videos and click that bell notifications.